Law Weekly, we look at the much talked about ease of doing business. Have things really improved, especially in the legal sector? We have the views of some senior lawyers. We also have an update on the NBA Ikeja branch's protest on the revised Lagos land use charge, plus our recap of the top trending stories in the news. That's the lineup in this episode of the program. I'm Shola Shuyeli. The World Bank's Ease of Doing Business report for 2018 placed Nigeria in the 145th position, 24 positions better than the 169th position the nation was ranked in the 2017 report. The report places Nigeria among the top 10 countries that improved on reforms. According to the report, the areas that Nigeria improved the reforms were in starting a business, dealing with construction permits, registering a property, getting credit, and paying taxes. But what do lawyers think, especially in the area of documentation? Have things really improved? What is the reality? These were the questions I put to some senior legal practitioners.
We've left where we were, but we've not got to where we are going to. We are still on the way. A lot still needs to be done. The court I just came out from now, you could see some technological interference, that is recording of proceedings. We've moved faster because of that injection, but it's also in all the courts. That's what I mean. So this thing should be replicated. The justice system must be fast and efficient. It is a major part of doing business with ease, because if you cannot enforce judgments and awards and all legal proceedings, if the enforcement of law is not effective, there will be no security, there will be no integrity, there will be no ease of doing business. And the laws for doing business can only be tested in the courts. So looking at it from the legal perspectives, as you've asked me, I am saying we need to put more budgets on the way of the judiciary, have more personnel trained, exploit technology, e-filing, e-orders, judgments, orders, rulings, filings can be done electronically, and in a matter of seconds, decisions are reached and business proceeds, rather than staying 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 years on simple matters that could have just been taken care of.
Another senior advocate, Rotimi Jacobs, shares the views of Mr. Ananaba, but he has a longer bucket list of things that needs to be improved on, especially with regards to taxation and the speed of justice.
Well, the government are taking various steps to ensure that they put measures in place to improve, but we are still far from it, because basically judiciary is the pillar for any foreign investors to consider the process of adjudication in any nation. In a situation where you have a civil claim and then you travel from High Court to Court of Appeal for 10 years, no good investor will come to that economy. So what is important is that they need to empower the judiciary so that it's not only criminal cases. Civil cases should be able to travel from High Court to the Supreme Court within a reasonable time, like 2-3 years. So, because unless you do that, because there must be litigation arising from investment and all those things.